Welcome. In today's video we will be discussing how to update WordPress from cPanel. We will download the WordPress folder manually, unzipping the files and uploading it onto the cPanel dashboard on our website backend to this rebranded website in the end. Reason for updating your WordPress site cPanel. When your website crashes and it is showing errors like this, when you have an outdated plugin that causes errors. Steps on how to update WordPress from cPanel.
1. Open the cPanel and locate the public_HTML folder.
See the blog description link below on how to log into your cPanel. When logged onto the cPanel, by locating and going into the WP content folder and clicking the plugins folder, we can disable the plugins first. This is easily done by renaming the plugin folder as shown here. Once this is done, click on Rename File and move up. Step 3. Create a new folder and name it. It was named Temp folder here. After this, all the following files are highlighted and moved into the Temp folder. Please remember not to move the WP content folder. Specify the file path after highlighting the files and folders to be moved. Once this is done, click on Move File. Step 4. Download WordPress. Please see the blog link in the description for this.
Download WordPress and unzip it onto your PC. Make sure you delete or remove the WP_content folder on this local host on your PC.
Step 5. Use a file transfer protocol, FTP, like FileZilla to move these files and folders onto your website.
Open the FileZilla app and enter the details that is required to connect to your website cPanel. Enter your website name or IP address, the cPanel username, password and the port is usually 21. Click Auto Connect and after, copy the files into the public_HTML folder.
You will know once it is done copying.
After copying, the public_HTML folder would look like this. Now, refresh your website page. Check for your plugins and remember they were deactivated earlier at the cPanel end. There are no plugins yet, so head back to cPanel and rename your plugin folder.
And once this is finished, we can click on Rename File and head back to the website.
This brand new working website on the front end, and this view on the WordPress